Is this thing working? Wait. Yes. Okay, yes, it's working. I know. I just wanted a random shot of you. Okay. So. No.
You're not like getting your face.
I don't care. I seriously don't care. Okay. Stop. Jessica. Random wacko. Stop. Before I hurt you. Because you know I will.
And do you think I'm afraid of you because of why?
Because Josh is afraid of me and you're just like Josh? Oh, yeah. Okay. So, two, my friend Squid. Yes, you are cuddly and huggly. Because I say so. If you're not cuddly and ugly, then I'm fat and ugly.